Excuse me, I've been waiting all evening for it. And I'm not going to turn it off, even though I do have to cough. At least they're giving me a break.